everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. I've got another video here of a nice little Hijet. This is a 2018, very low kilometers, 35 kilometers it's done. This is a HD dump with a very strong dump box on the back. You can see it's a 3-side drop, so you can drop these sides down like that and load it with a forklift truck or use it as a flat surface. It's quite useful, but then when it folds up, which I'll demonstrate now, it creates a nice strong dump bed. You can see the sides are nice and thick. Just fold them up. You can do this one-handed. This. Like that. You can see how nicely well made that is. It's got like a spring on it so it keeps tension on. It's a well thought out design. You can see the pivots here for this tailgate. It's got a hook in there. I'll demonstrate what that's for later. That comes into here. All pretty easy to do. And there you can see it's got a nice strong dump body on the back. So we'll have a quick look inside. As I mentioned before, very low kilometers. It's only done 35 kilometers. That's not 35,000, that's 35, which is about 20 or 19,000 miles, something like that. So this is a PTO dump, so it takes its power off the engine, off a PTO shaft. And to get that to operate, you have to put this transfer lever into neutral, like that. This is in high. Now put it again into neutral, like this. Put the transmission in 3rd gear, and this is the dump lever here. If I pull the lever back, that means up in Japanese. Let the clutch out. You'll see dump back goes up on its own. Now it's not moving forward even though it's in gear because the transfer case is in neutral. That's how it engages the PTO. So that's slowly going up like that. You'll see as it goes up, the back gate just opens on its own. It's got a gravity gate. That's because of those hooks I mentioned before. As they go up, they're here. They can lift up and release. When it comes down, that presses on there, locks the back gate. It's useful. So now it's right the way up. See, dumped fully, and under here you can see nice and clean. Got a nice strong dumping mechanism there, ram. Got a PTO pump off the transmission. You can see on the back there, it's also got a Diff lock. Nice and clean. Chassis is excellent. Shiny up exhaust. The shifter cable is everything shiny. In other words, it's near as new, really. So that gets that up, and then to lower it down, very simple. Just move that lever forward like this. Down comes the dump body. And as it comes down, you'll see the hooks move downwards and close the back trunk, the back tailgate. There you go. Down it goes like that. Mechanical, very simple but very effective. Now the body's all the way down and you can drive away. So I'll just have a quick look in here. So this truck's got 4-wheel drive. Press this button, switches on the 4-wheel drive, or it will do when I get it into high range. There we are. 4-wheel drive lights on. Also, when I put it in gear, press this light, that locks the rear diff. Press that, unlocks it. Press that, back into 2-wheel drive, and you can drive normally on the street. High-low range 4-wheel drive system as well. It's got air conditioning. It's got a heater, fully enclosed cab. This one's even got electric windows. They work well. So you can stay warm, stay cool, stay dry, do your work, and hopefully not get stuck because it's got a 4-wheel drive system. So this truck's ready to go. It's going to be shipped to the US very shortly. If you'd like to buy this truck or another truck like this, or you'd like to be a distributor for us, I prepare the cars in Japan here. Our shop in Japan and they're shipped over to the States where you can use them. If you have a look at samuraimini.com, our website, you'll be able to see a lot of information on there about becoming a distributor, just buying your own one, or whatever it is you want to do. Hopefully just other general information you might need to know about mini trucks. But hope the video is interesting, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.